Nachos are a real crowd pleaser, perfect for a relaxed Mexican-themed dinner. Tonight, we'll prepare a healthier and even more flavorful twist on this classic turkey nachos with a vibrant mango salsa. This recipe is incredibly easy to follow, even for beginner cooks, and it's ready in no time. Let's get started. Section 2, Ingredients we need. For the turkey mixture, 1 pound ground turkey, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon chili powder, ½ teaspoon cumin, ¼ teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, 1 can, 15 ounces, black beans rinsed and drained for the mango salsa, 1 ripe mango diced, ½ red onion, finely chopped, ¼ cup chopped fresh cilantro, 1 jalapeno pepper seeded and minced, optional, 2 tablespoons lime juice for the nachos, 1 bag, 10 ounces tortilla chips, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. Section 3, Making the nachos. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or 190 degrees Celsius. Lightly grease a baking sheet. Now let's cook the turkey mixture. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the ground turkey and cook until browned, breaking it up with a spoon. Stir in the chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Continue to cook for about 5 minutes. Add the black beans and stir to combine. Next, spread a layer of tortilla chips on the prepared baking sheet. Top with half of the turkey mixture and half of the shredded cheese. Repeat layers. Bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. While the nachos are baking, prepare the mango salsa. In a medium bowl, combine the diced mango, red onion, cilantro, jalapeno, if using, and lime juice. Toss to combine. Section 4. Serving and enjoying. Remove the nachos from the oven and let cool slightly. Top with the fresh and tangy mango salsa. Serve immediately. You can add extra toppings like sour cream, guacamole, or sliced avocado. These turkey nachos with mango salsa are a fantastic choice for a relaxed dinner or a casual gathering with friends and family. They are packed with flavor and a healthier take on traditional nachos. Enjoy!